Your sales teams are often out on the road, so it's not always easy for them to get access to presentations, case studies, product sheets, etc. But it is important that your salespeople are using the most up-to-date and on-brand material. They are, after all, a vital part of your effort to create a holistic customer brand experience. If your sales and marketing becomes misaligned, you risk negatively affecting the brand and potentially even pushing customers elsewhere. This is why many sales-led organizations are using brand management software as a way of providing sales enablement functionality, putting all of their customer-facing staff in touch with that latest and greatest material. So what are the benefits? Your salespeople then are educated and aligned as to your brand message and how to deliver it in a positive and consistent fashion. And your marketing teams are incentivized to produce more of that relevant material in the sure knowledge that it's going to be used consistently and regularly.